How to fix friend request not sending on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, scroll down your notification bar. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to data. If you're using data, switch to Wi-Fi and try that works. If not, open Facebook. In Facebook, click on the friend request option at the top and try adding them again. And if it does not work, that means you have multiple tries. You have been following people a lot in a single time. So that's why you may be temporarily blocked. Another thing which you can do is click on the three lines at the top left. Click on your name. Here, click on the three dots at the top right. Here, check for profile status. In my case, I don't have one, but you can go to the profile status and check your profile status. And if there is a green check like this, it's fine. And after you do this, another thing which you can do is click on the three lines at the top left. Click on help and support. Report a problem. Press on continue to report a problem. Then here select friend request. And if there is no option for friend request, you can just choose messages. Describe your issue. You can type in how to fix friend request not sending, and you're having this issue from when to when, and send it. They will get back to you and solve your issue. This is how to fix friend request not sending on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.